Second question is that first A is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Okay, this is the first question, and second question is every chord of a circle also a diameter? This is the question. Okay, so this is a little tricky question. Okay, both looks very similar to each other, but they are different. Okay, so diameter line, we know what is diameter line. If there is a circle, okay, I'm doing the answer for question A. So diameter line is something that is passing through the center point. This is the center point, means this is a diameter. Okay, this line is a diameter, or and also you can see it is dividing the circle into equal halves. Okay, this way also I can draw. Anything that is passing through the center is called as a diameter. Okay, this is also a diameter line. This is also a diameter line. Okay, so all these diameter line are actually chords. Okay, because chord is also dividing a circle, if not into equal parts, but it is dividing it into two parts. Okay, so we can say yes, all the diameter lines are actually chords. Okay, yes, every diameter, okay, of a circle is also a chord. Okay, and diameter is actually, the speciality of diameter is the longest chord. Okay, diameter is the longest chord, क्योंकि ये एकदम सेंटर से पास हो रहा है. ओके, तो इसका जो स्पैन होगा वो बाकी कॉर्ड्स, अभी यहाँ पर एक कॉर्ड है मान लो, इस कॉर्ड के लेंथ से डायमीटर का लेंथ ज्यादा होगा हमेशा. ओके, क्योंकि वो एकदम सेंटर से पास हो रहा है, तो इसका जो लेंथ है ये ज्यादा है. ओके, सो डायमीटर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट chord. Okay, you can draw this diagram also if you want. Okay, let me mark, this is O, this is A, and this is B for your reference. Note it down.
Sir, diagram में निकालेंगे.
Yeah, draw the diagram also, and after writing you tell me that it is written.
Sir, complete.
Okay, now B question, they are telling that, yeah, note it down quickly. B question is every chord a diameter? Okay, now second question is, क्या सारे कॉर्ड डायमीटर होंगे? तो सर्कल है और यहाँ पे एक ऐसा कॉर्ड बना रहा हूँ जो सेंटर से पास नहीं हो रहा है. लेट अस टेक दिस इज CD. Is it passing through the center? Center is here, no, but this is a chord. It is still a chord. Okay, it is a chord, but it is not the diameter because it is not passing through the center. So I can say no, every chord is not a diameter. Okay, note it down. So do you understand? Diameter is a chord, but chord is not necessarily a diameter. Okay.
सर ये डायग्राम निकलना है.
Yes, yes.
Sir, complete.
Okay, now next question.
Complete.
Question number 3. See, question number 3 is very similar to question number 1. Okay. So if anybody have missed question number 1, if you listen question number 3 properly, you will understand question number 1 also. Okay. So draw happen. Draw a circle. Just a minute, it's not writing properly here. Draw a circle. Something is wrong with this. Just a minute. What happened to it? It's not writing properly. Draw a circle and mark its center, radius, diameter, D is a sector. Guys, my pen is not writing properly. I don't know why. So I'm actually writing with my hand. So my handwriting will be little worse. Okay. So try to just if you're not understanding anything, you tell me. Segment. A point in its interior. A point in its exterior. Exterior.
Sir, read से आगे क्या है?
Which one? F. Huh?
Reads के
Is it
आगे.
F? Is it F?
E need.
G. It is exterior. A point in its exterior. An arc. ARC.
Sir, complete.
Okay.
Sir,
So
ये
now draw a
नंबर का
circle.
है? Sir, मेरा थोड़ा रह गया.
Right first. Right first.
H नंबर का क्या था?
An arc. An arc. ARC.
Complete, sir.
Complete, sir.
Okay. So draw this circle now. So first what they are telling, center. So center, mark a point at the center. Okay. So this is center. Let me mark it as O. Then radius. Radius is from center. If you join any of its circumference or the boundary, that is called as the radius. Okay. So let me take it as O A. Okay. Diameter is if you join both the ends passing through the center, both the ends passing through the center. Let me take another one. Okay, I'm just drawing this line. So it is passing through the center and joining two endpoints of the circumference. Okay, let me say take this as BC. So this is the diameter. Okay, I have to also mention that which one is what. Okay, so first A, radius. What is my radius? OA. OA is my radius. Okay. Sorry, the first one was not radius. First one was the center. So center. What is the center? O is the center. Okay. B, radius. So what is the radius? OA. Okay. Now question number C. C is diameter. So diameter, which line? BC. BC is the diameter. Write it closer. Okay. So BC is the diameter. Now D, what is question D? Is sector. Okay. So what is sector? I explained it in the last class. Right. Sector means a portion of the circle. Like it should be like this. If there is a circle, if you just slice the pieces like how you cut the pizza. Okay. So this kind of parts. So each part is called as a sector. This is a sector. This is a sector. This part is also a sector. Okay, like that. So here, if you see, I can take this one as the sector. Let me take this one as the sector. Okay. No need to shade it. Just to explain, I have shaded that. So I'm just removing the shaded part. Let me say it is AOC, right? This part is what? This part is AOC. AOC. Okay. Next E is segment. So what is a segment? Segment is also a part of the circle, but it is not cut in this fashion, not like this. Rather, it is cut just like if you just break a piece of it, like how you break a piece of biscuit. Okay. So you see this part. This is called as a segment. Okay. So here also I'm doing the same thing. Let me just join this two. Okay. I'm talking about this part. Okay. So let's mark this point as D. Okay, D. If I mark it, okay, no need to shade it. So here, what is the segment? BD is the segment. Okay. Note it down quickly.
Sir, complete. Complete, sir.
Next is okay. Next is they are telling that interior point, exterior point. So interior means a point inside the circle. So already there is a point inside the circle, that is here, center. So let me take F. Okay. Next page I'm writing F, that is interior point. Interior point. So what is their interior? O. Okay. O point is interior. Exterior point. exterior point. What will be the exterior point? There is no exterior point, so I will mark one point outside the circle. Myself, I will mark one point. Let me mark a point over here. Okay, let me take it as F. Let me mark it as F. So what is the exterior point? F. Now, next one is an arc. So what is an arc? Arc is actually a part of the boundary of the circle. So where is the boundary of the circle? This is the boundary of the circle, right? This is the boundary of the circle. Okay. So from this boundary, if I just take one part, like if I consider that I'm just taking this part, only I'm taking this A to C, then this is called as the arc. Okay, a part of the boundary or the circumference of the circle. Boundary is called as circumference. Boundary of a circle is called as circumference of the circle. Okay, so just a part of it, if I take, it's called as the arc. Okay, so what is the arc? AC. I took AC as the arc, and on top of this, you have to draw it like this. Arc is represented like this. Okay, note down.
Complete, sir. Complete, sir. Complete, sir.
Okay. Now, next question. Say true or false. Say true or false. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. This is question number 4.
सर सर्कल के आगे क्या है?
Will necessarily intersect. P is the center of a circle is always in its interior. Interior. So first one, two diameter of a circle. That means if a circle, okay, this is a diameter, this is also a diameter. So they will intersect at a point. They will join at a point. You see, वो एक दूसरे को intersect करेंगे. So is it true or wrong? False. It is true. It is true. Okay. And second one is the center of the circle will always be in the interior. हमेशा center circle के अंदर ही होगा. Yes, that is also true. True. Okay. Note down.
Complete, sir. Sir, complete.
Okay. Let others also write. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, then I'm closing it over here.